Hello everyone, this is Southern Star 71 behind the box here. I also have a new microphone. You can let me know in the comments how it does. I might need to move it. I might need to change the pattern of the pickup. But today we're going to unbox this item from Gaahleri. Now I paid for it with my own money because I'm going to get into scale modeling, which means I need to airbrush. The airbrush, you of course need the airbrush, which I did not have. And you need an air compressor, which I did not have. This box contains the Serenair GTS-06, as well as the classic series CS-36. Now, it is a traditional air paint airbrush. I have also ordered a church style, which I will do an unboxing for in a future video. I don't own any paints. I don't have a spray booth. I don't have a respirator. So I need to pick up paints, spray booth, respirator, for sure. Now, you can let me know in the comments below about the microphone, about which paints you use in your airbrush, and which airbrush you use. I'm interested in everything. You can put spray booths down, but I think I know which spray booth I'm going to go with. In the description down below, I will put links to Amazon for the spray booth, the respirator, I think one more item. There will also be a link for students and 18 to 24-year-olds signed up for Prime. You don't yet have Prime. These are affiliate links. I will get a little bit of a cut if you support the channel that way. Also, in the description, I'll put a Gaahleri link. If you've not ordered yet from Gaahleri, you can use that link and get 20% off. So now, let's unbox it. I'm going to be extremely careful because I don't want to cut myself. This thing is pretty daggone sharp. Alright. This should be good enough. So, let's put this out of the way. Here we go. The plastic has been removed. The box lid. As you can see here, it is the Ambition series airbrush and compressor kit. Since I live in the US, I bought one. That's for use in the US. Makes sense, right? We do have a quick start guide. This is the air compressor, which it's shrink wrapped, which is nice. It's relatively small, but again, I didn't expect it to be too large, considering it puts out 15 to 27 psi. I know from watching other videos, you can go up by 2, or you can immediately go high or low. The power cord for the compressor. Airbrush. I've never had one, so I might can do that. This figure here besides being a little bit gnarly. From time to time, it looks on me. I thought that would be a potential problem, but truthfully, the down and back is not as difficult as I thought it would be. The trigger, my pistol grip, might be better for me though. There are. Ooh, there's one paint cup. Thought it would be easy. There it is. If you get it right, it goes to the lid. Nice mirror finish. I'll probably paint with on. You know, a lot of people don't. Nice little grip here, plastic frame. So when you the needle is at all times. Some people piss off and spray without the guard. But I'll probably leave it on. Also, if you leave it on or close it up with your finger or something else, you can sort of backwash into the heat cup. It's a way to clean the airbrush. Also, it's a way to mix the paint. These are two airbrush holders that connect into the compressor. And underneath here, you'll find our arrows. So, that is everything. I will have two airbrushes done. So, we will go ahead here. Their trusty X-Acto knife. Although technically it's not an X-Acto knife. I got it for hobby. There's a little bit of a hole already. Should help. Hey, that's going to be enough to allow me to get in here. There's the phone. It's usually garbage. So we'll ignore it for that. I don't have anything appointment wise with the doctor until August. Oh, since they come up after 4 or 5 rings, it's usually spam. So let's go ahead and put both of these in. They're plastic, although they are chrome coated. So we'll put this one here. Holds this fairly well. We'll also be doing the unboxing of the other airbrush. So I'll be able to sort them both. The little suction cups, relatively nice. Let's go ahead and there hose. Again, I have no paints. You can let me know which paints I should pick up. I'm looking to do water-based acrylic. Looking currently at ICM, Atom, and Micromark. Micromark is really cheap though. ICM Has a nice set. I'm looking at get 80 colors for a little over 100. Having from a spray gunner is $3.73 per color. So that might be a little bit expensive in the long run. But if it's what it needs to do, what I'm looking to do. But again, in the comments, please. Looks like you can use either end. No, quick connect. I thought we had a quick connect. So you might need to look into getting quick connect. Quick connect, quick disconnect. Either way. Well, let's keep it on. Little. We might need to straighten this out also. Alright. You can run two individuals by connecting up another air hose here. But with quick connect or quick disconnect, you can pop this off quickly and just put on another airbrush. That's probably what I'll look to do in the long run. There's no need to plug it up because I have no water in here. And as I've mentioned several times, we own no paints. I could look straight in because of the camera up there. See? Let me turn it on. Hello. Goodbye. Anyways, enough silly. Now my plan is to run what I call a 6-strip. There's that electrical outlet right here with my phone. This compressor. It's 2. Spray booth will be 3. That might be all of it. Spray booth, compressor, phone charger. I think that's it. So again, no paints, no water. Not going to spray. Spray booth. It's for airbrush. Excuse me. Not going to spray it. I don't really know what I'm doing, so I'll have to figure out the first few models. I've got 2 trucks and a car to start with. The tanks are both me. I played World of Tanks for a bit, so those tanks from that game that I could get a model of sort of intrigues me. Again, I'm looking for paint suggestions for the airbrush. Also, if you look to pick up anything from Gaahleri and you've not done so yet, link in the description. Get 20% off. I'll have some Amazon affiliate links in the description also. Or the spray booth, the respirator, and Hamilton Wire. Can't remember what it was. Also, Amazon Prime. You can sign up as a student or 18 to 24-year-old. You can get Prime for a discount. It will cost you nothing extra, and I'll get a cut. So I bought a box by Serenair with my CS-36. It's my first unboxing on the channel. You could let me know how it went. Also, be sure to let me know how the microphone did. Looks a little. I shaved this morning. Maybe it's a little. Anyways, I'm Southern Star 71. This should be, well, what I need. I did look at a 2-gallon Fortress from Respirator, but this whole setup for me with the Airbrush is like 145. This is 7 dying regular. Again, you get the compressor and the CS-36 airbrush. Again, that was a really good deal. And then 20% off would be what, $15.80. So you would get it for $63.20. You might have to pay taxes if you don't get over a $100 order. You might have to pay shipping also. But anyways, use my link if you haven't ordered from Gaahleri yet and you're looking to pick up anything they sell. Also, in July, they might be coming out with another air compressor and their own set of paints in July or August. I was told July, but the guy tested the paints said August. Either way, we'll shut now. I like to talk. You can tell that. I just jibber jabber. Be sure to let me know if the microphone needs to be adjusted somehow. The sound of this video is off, in the comments below. Again, links in the description for Gaahleri. There'll be some other links also. This has been an unboxing for the Serenair GTS-06, which gets you the CS-36 airbrush, all in the same package, with the hose or stainless outlet, 2 airbrush holders. Thank you very much. Have yourself a great day. Let me go here. See you later. Like, comment, subscribe.